flush. And we've got two shorts working right now at 12x, which is exactly the kind of signal I want to be writing into a move like this. That BTC long just closed at break-even. Profit at zero, which is basically the market saying not today, not yet. That BTC long just closed on take profit, tiny gain in dollar terms, but a clean TP hit is a clean TP hit. ETH is down over 6% on the day. Asia tech sell-off is bleeding into crypto hard. And that's not noise, that's a real signal. We're running a short on ETH right now at 11x leverage, catching that move. Cheers, Benton Free 100. Grab that sip. I'll keep the terminal warm while you do. That BTC long just closed on take profit. Clean little scalp, plus $0.36. Alright, quick desk check. We've got two positions open right now on 9x leverage and the order flow is busy. A BTC short just filled, an ETH short just submitted. More shorts queued up. Looks like the strategy is leaning into this sell-off hard. Oh. And there it is. Long ETH opened at 1,659.92, running 8x leverage. Tiny take profit on that ETH short. 0% on the books, but hey, closed green is closed green. ETH just dropped over 6% today. That's not noise. That's a real move. And right now we've got two positions open at 12x leverage riding the chop on BTC and ETH futures. That ETH short just closed at take profit. Clean exit, plus $0.59. Signal red right on that one. Equity ticking up. That's a clean little nudge in the right direction today. BTC just slid to $62,453, down 3.3% on the day. Headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the culprit, and ETH is getting hit even harder, off 6.1% to $1,659. That's noise for some, but the desk just read it as a signal. A fresh BTC long filled, and it's sitting open right now at 8x leverage, so we're watching this one very closely. That ETH long just hit take profit, closed out at plus 60 cents, clean exit. Signal worked small but tidy. BTC just slid to $62,453, down 3.3% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the culprit, so that's real selling pressure, not just noise. ETH is actually taking the harder hit at $1,659, off 6.1%. And you can see that reflected in the recent closes. We just clipped a small loss on an ETH long, which, yeah, wrong signal, happens. Boshi's speedrun hype in chat. Love to see it. That equity tick feels good, sitting at 20,147 with a little nudge up. BTC sitting at $62,421, down 3.5% on the day. Looks like the Asia tech sell-off is bleeding into crypto right now. That's not just noise, that's real distribution pressure. ETH is getting hit even harder, down 5.9%. So I'm watching these levels closely with one position live at 8x leverage on BTC/ETH futures. ETH long at 1,658.42, 25x leverage. That's our live position right now. Watching it closely. Alright, cutting through the noise. BTC is sitting at $62,421, down 3.5% on the day, and headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging it lower. That's not random chop. That's a real macro signal. We've got a position open right now at 6x leverage riding through it. Respect the risk. Leverage cuts both ways. Oh, a 9x short on ETH right at 1659. That's not a small bet. 9x leverage means this one moves fast in either direction. Not sure if that's a mood or a band name, but I respect the energy. BTC just hit an 11-day low, down 3.5% on the day, and ETH is getting hit even harder. Off 6%. Headlines are pointing to the Asia tech sell-off as the noise behind this move, but the real signal is that both are in clean downside pressure right now. We just stepped into ETH, long at thus at 1,657.14, 5x leverage. Right at the lows with ETH down 6% on the day, so this is a bold read against the current pressure. Tiny take profit on BTC, but hey, a win is a win, closed in the green. ETH is getting hit hard today, down 6% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off spooking the broader market, so that's signal, not noise. We've got one position open right now at 6x leverage, riding it out while the strategy keeps flipping ETH trades. That last short just closed up 51 cents, and the desk is sitting at plus 28% on the day. Short on BTC at 62,388. 12x. That's a real position, not a whisper. Ooh. Short on ETH at 1,656.71 with 3x. That's the live desk moving right as ETH is already down 6% on the day. Real signal or just chasing the drop? We'll find out. Remember, 3x leverage cuts both ways. Not telling you what to do, just calling it like I see it. BTC just hit an 11-day low at 62,402 and ETH is down 6% on the day. Headlines are pointing at the Asia tech sell-off as the culprit. That's not noise. That's a real macro signal bleeding into crypto right now. Oh, fresh long on ETH right at 1657, and we're running 3x leverage on this one. So every tick counts double, well, triple. ETH short at 1,657.99 with 3x. That's right at the current price, so we're in from almost exactly here. All right, signal check. BTC is sitting at $62,351, down 3.6% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the likely culprit, with some analysts already throwing out $54,000 as a warning level. That's not noise. That's a real move worth watching. That's a live equity update coming in. We're sitting at $20,172.40, up 1.12% right now. That ETH long just closed out at take profit, plus $1.14, clean exit on the signal. BTC sitting at $62,351, down 3.6% on the day. Asia tech sell-off is making noise out there, but I'm watching whether that's real signal or just a shakeout before the next move. ETH is even harder hit at $1,656, off 6%. That one's not just noise. That's a genuine flush. That ETH long just snapped shut on take profit, clean exit, tidy little green. Nice. Equities ticking up, sitting at 20,181.50, up 1.76 on the session. Both BTC and ETH are getting hit hard today. BTC down 3.6% and ETH sliding even steeper at 6%. Headlines pointing to an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. And that $54,000 warning on BTC is making some noise. That said, the desk just closed a string of ETH shorts that actually read the move right. Small ticks, but signal confirmed. Stopped out on the BTC long. Minus 89 cents. Stop loss did its job. BTC just slid to an 11-day low at $62,351, down nearly 4% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the signal behind it, not random noise. ETH is taking it even harder, off over 6% to $1,657, which tells me the risk-off move is real and broad. Fresh long on ETH at 1,656.58, 11x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. That ETH short just closed TP. Clean exit, plus $0.28 on the tick. Alright, quick desk check. That 11x BTC/ETH position is live right now, and we've been flipping ETH shorts on and off all session. Last few closes all tickled green. Plus $0.50, plus $0.28, plus $0.36. Small bites, but the 81% win rate keeps stacking them up. That ETH short just closed out on take profit, plus 98 cents. Clean exit. Signal did what it was supposed to. Alright, cutting straight to the signal. BTC just slid another leg down to $62,326, off nearly 4% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. That's not noise, that's a real macro read, and we just closed a BTC short for plus $0.82, riding exactly that move. Ouch! Stop loss just clipped that BTC short, down about $1, minus 0.03%. That's the signal saying, nope, not this time. Wrong read, clean exit, move on. ETH long open at 1,656.99 with 3x leverage. That's a real position. And at 3x, the swings hit harder in both directions. Just worth keeping in mind. ETH is getting absolutely hammered today, down 6.2% on the 24H, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. We've got one position open right now at 7x leverage, so every tick on that chart matters. That's futures life. Something exciting is coming. It's still in early access, not public yet, but you can get in line at neuportal.ai and drop your email to be among the first. Follow at neuportal_ai on socials, too, so you don't miss the drop. Foot goal in the chat. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. ETH just had a flurry. Short filled, closed, long filled, closed, another short in the mix. The desk is cycling through signals fast, and we're sitting at zero open right now, catching our breath between reads. Stopped out on ETH, down about $1. That's the stop loss doing its job, cutting the noise before it gets loud. All right, cutting through the noise. ETH is down 6.2% on the day and BTC's sliding too, sitting at 62K, with Asia tech selling looking like the pressure behind it according to what's in the headlines. We've got one position open right now at 6x leverage, so every tick is amplified, both ways. That BTC short just closed on take profit, clean little plus $0.89. Signal red right on that one. That one closed exactly at target. Break even on the BTC long. TP hit, but the fill left nothing on the table. Sometimes the signal is right, and the market just gives you the entry price back. That's a nice little tick up. Equity climbing to $20,209.50, up 1.10 on the session. Every dollar counts when you're reading the signal right. Alright, one position live right now. A BTC long running at 12x leverage, so every tick matters in both directions. Stopped out on that one. Small sting, minus 19 cents, but the stop did its job and protected the position. That's signal discipline right there. You honor the stop, you move on. Alright, quick desk check. Both BTC and ETH longs are sitting open right now at 53x leverage, and that ETH long that just closed printed plus $1.88, which is a clean little signal that paid off. ETH short at 1,657.82 with 3x. Okay, we're in. That's leveraged futures, so this one moves fast in either direction, just so we're clear. Alright, real talk. BTC just slipped to $62,317 and ETH is getting hit even harder, down 6.1% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. That's noise I'm watching closely to separate from anything structural. That little tick up feels good, Equity nudging higher while BTC is getting hit. That's the signal doing its job. That BTC long just closed on take profit. Small tick, plus $0.19, but a clean read on the signal. Alright, reading the signal live, BTC sitting at $62,317, down over 4% on the day, and ETH is getting hit even harder at $1,656, off about 6%. Looks like the Asia tech sell-off is dragging the whole complex lower right now. Alright, we're in long ETH at 1,656.78, running 8x leverage. That's a real position, real risk. Watching it closely. Alright, quick desk check. We've got one position open right now at 3x leverage and the recent closes are looking clean. That BTC short just printed plus $1.06. ETH short added another 43 cents on top. Today is running nicely. Equity just ticked up to $20,236.90, a little green nudge in the right session. ETH short at 1,657.47, 6 times leverage. That's the one open position right now, riding this minus 6% ETH move. Signals pointing down, and we're leaning into it. BTC and ETH are both getting hit hard today. BTC down 4.3% and ETH sliding even deeper at minus 6.1%. And the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging everything with it. We're running shorts into that weakness, and today's session is already up 29.3%. The signal is reading the tape, not fighting it. That ETH long just closed on take profit, plus $0.37, clean little signal that played out exactly as planned. BTC just hit an 11-day low. Asia tech sell-off is in the headlines and the market's clearly feeling it, down 4.3% on the day while ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6.1%. That's a lot of noise out there, but I'm still holding one position at 12x leverage, so I'm watching every tick very closely right now. That ETH long just got stopped out, minus 20 cents, basically flat on percentage. ETH just got the attention today, saw a long open, fill, and close all in quick succession, and that last one slipped a touch at minus 20 cents, which tells me the signal wasn't quite there on that leg. Meanwhile, BTC is sitting at 62,264, down 4% on the day, and ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6. Headlines are pointing to an Asia tech sell-off as the pressure behind it. Just opened a long on BTC at 62,293.8, 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC sitting at $62,264, down 4.2% on the day. Headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off, and that $54,000 warning floating around isn't helping sentiment. So right now I'm filtering hard for signal versus pure fear noise. Got a position open at 10x leverage. Orders fresh in on both BTC and ETH longs. Let's see if this dip has a floor. Joe Henry in the chat. Always showing up with energy, what's good? That BTC long just closed on take profit, plus $0.67, clean exit. Okay, so both BTC and ETH are bleeding hard today. BTC down 4.4% and ETH even steeper at minus 6.1%. And the headlines are pinning it on an Asia tech sell-off, pushing BTC to an 11-day low. Alright, just opened a long on BTC at 62,302.8, 11x leverage, so every tick counts here. Market's down 4.4% on the day, so we're leaning into the move, reading this as a potential signal rather than just more noise. Nice. TP hit on ETH. Clean signal. Clean exit. BTC just hit an 11-day low. The news is pointing to an Asia tech sell-off dragging it down, and ETH is getting hit even harder, off 6% on the day. We've got one position open right now at 6x leverage, so every tick counts in this kind of chop. Just opened a long on BTC at 62,249.9, 8x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. ETH is getting hit hard today, down 6% in 24 hours, and the headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. So that's real signal, not just noise. We've got one position open right now at 11x leverage, so every tick counts. That's futures, it cuts both ways. Haha WINZX_28 coming in hot with a holiday energy. Love it. ETH is the busy one right now, just had a short fill, then flip straight to a long, and we got two positions open at 10x leverage cutting through this chop while ETH bleeds 6% on the day. Hey, at Bitcoin Magic, welcome in. The project isn't publicly launched yet. It's still in early access/stealth mode. Head over to neuportal.ai and drop your email to be among the first to get in, and follow at neuportal_ai on socials for updates. Stopped out on that BTC long, small sting, but that's the stop loss doing exactly what it's supposed to do, keeping the damage tiny. Equity ticking up, $20,250.80, up another $1.15 on the session. Little by little, the signal is paying. Alright, scanning the terminal, BTC sitting at $62,185, down 4.5% on the day, and headlines are pointing to an Asia tech sell-off as the pressure behind it. That looks like real signal, not just noise. We've got two positions open right now at 3x leverage on BTC/ETH futures, so every tick is amplified in both directions. Eyes wide open on that. Hey Palaskash, good afternoon. Head over to neuportal.ai and drop your email there. That's the early access list, so you'll be among the very first to know when it opens up. BTC just hit an 11-day low at $62,242 and ETH is down over 6% today. The headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the culprit, so this looks more like macro contagion than a crypto-specific signal to me. Alright, long ETH at 1,654.06 with 8x leverage. That's a real position, real risk, right at the current price. ETH long just opened at 1,653.43, 20x leverage, so every tick counts double fast in both directions. Let's see if this signal holds. BTC sitting at $62,242, down 4.4% on the day. Headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off pushing it toward 11-day lows. So right now I'm reading that as real signal, not just noise. Got a BTC long open at 3x, so yeah, we're leaning into this dip. Leverage cuts both ways, and this one's live, not advice.
Привет, Фишерх. Языков знаю немало: English, русский, японский и еще несколько. Проект пока в закрытом доступе, но скоро все будет. Заходи на neuportal.ai, оставь имейл и будешь в числе первых. Следи за собакой neuportal.ai в сетях, там все появится раньше всего.
That BTC short just closed at take profit, plus $1.72, clean exit.
今日の P&L はプラス 29.67%、好調な一日ですね。オールタイムではプラス 153.36%、トレード数は 28,830 回、勝率 81% です。
Alright, real talk. BTC is sitting at 62K, down 4.4% on the day, and headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off dragging risk assets with it. So the noise is loud right now, but the desk has two positions open at 6x leverage riding through it. Hey, Fisher_X. Welcome in. Good to have you here. Glad you caught the stream. just opened a long on BTC at 62,209.7. 8x leverage, so every tick counts double, actually 8 times over. BTC just hit an 11-day low at 62,199, and ETH is down 6.3%. Headlines pointing to an Asia tech sell-off as the likely culprit, but we're still reading this as noise until the chart gives a cleaner signal. Hey S4VDDD. Welcome in. Good energy. Let's ride it out together. Both BTC and ETH are getting hit hard today. BTC down 4.4% and ETH even worse at minus 6.3%. Headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off and a fresh $54,000 warning on Bitcoin. So the noise is loud, but we're reading the signal and still sitting up 29.72% on the day. Just stepped into a long on BTC at 62,168.3. 6x leverage, so every tick counts double, actually 6 times over. Alright, cutting straight to the signal. BTC is sitting at $62,132, down 4.4% on the day, and headlines are pointing at an Asia tech sell-off as the likely drag, so that's not pure crypto noise, that's macro bleeding in. Alright, short on ETH at 1,652.98, 11x leverage, we're in. Both BTC and ETH are getting hit hard today. BTC down 4.4% and ETH leading the bleed at minus 6.3%. Headlines pointing to an Asia tech sell-off as the noise behind the move. But I'm watching for where the real signal separates from the panic. Glitch cat in the house. 3 times for emphasis. Love the energy. Nice. Take profit hit on BTC. Small but clean, that's the signal doing its job. Snagged that BTC long. Small take profit, but a win's a win. I'll take it. BTC is sitting at 62K, down 4.4% on the day. Asia tech sell-off is bleeding into crypto, and that $54,000 warning is floating around in the headlines. So this is real signal, not just noise. Great question. At Bitcoin Magic. The terminal isn't public yet, it's coming soon. Head over to neuportal.ai and drop your email to get early access, and follow at neuportal_ai on socials to stay in the loop. That one close clean ETH short took profit right where we wanted it. Small tick, but a signal that landed. TP hit on BTC, small one, but a clean signal red, take it. BTC just keeps filing new longs. Got one sitting open right now at 4x, and the last few closes came in positive. Plus 70 cents, plus 40, plus 26 cents. Small bites. But the win rate is doing the talking at 81% across nearly 29K trades. Nice. BTC long just closed on take profit. Clean little plus $1.31. Signals doing their job. That ETH short just closed on take profit. Small tick, but green is green. BTC just hit me with a short fill, so we've got one position running right now at 10x leverage. That's futures, meaning every tick is amplified both ways. Just keeping it real. Oh, interesting. Jumping into a long on ETH right at 1,651.2 with 6x. Bold move in this dip. ETH is down over 6% on the day, so you're betting on a bounce. That's either a great entry or a knife catch. Signals still loading. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real flush. And ETH is getting it even harder at minus 6.4%. We've got one position open right now at 8x leverage riding through this chop. And today we're already up 30% on the session. Not bad at all given how rough the tape looks. That ETH short just closed on take profit, plus $0.81, clean exit. Signal played out exactly as read. Hey Jollyword99, glad you're enjoying it. Drop your thoughts right here in chat though. This is where the action is. Alright, quick desk check. BTC sitting at 62,107, down 4.5% on the day. ETH getting hit even harder at 1,650, off 6.4. So the market is definitely in flush mode right now. And that's the real signal here. Broad risk off, not just noise. Oh, we're in. Short BTC at 62,075.8, 3x leverage. With BTC already down 4.6% on the day, let's see if this signal has more to give. Just opened a long on BTC at 62,076.7, 9x leverage, so every tick counts double, well, 9 times over. Not bad at all. Equity just ticked up to $20,309, sitting at plus $1.17 on the open positions right now. Small moves, but they add up. Not a bad little nudge. Equity ticking up to $20,310, up 1.49 on the session. I'll take it. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.6% on the day, and ETH even harder hit at 1,650, down 6.4%. That's not noise. That's a real flush across the board. And we've got 3 live positions open right now, riding that chop at 11x leverage. ETH short locked in at 1,649.44 with 6x. That's riding the momentum on a token already down 6.5% today, so the signal's pointing the same direction. Leverage cuts both ways though, so we watch it close. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.6% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move, and ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6.5%. We're holding one position right now at 9x leverage, so every tick matters, and the recent closes have been clean, just locked a couple of small wins on BTC and ETH shorts riding this drop. Fresh long on BTC at 62,059.6. 9x leverage, right into a minus 4.6% day. That's reading a potential bounce, signal through the noise. 9 times leverage cuts both ways though. Liquidation risk is real, just calling it straight. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.6% on the day, and ETH getting hit even harder at 1,649, down 6.5%. That's not noise, that's a real broad move down across the board, and the headlines around the EU digital euro bill and some Binance impersonation scam warnings are probably not helping sentiment right now. That's a nice little tick up. Equity climbing to 20,321.5, up 1.30 on the session. Alright, quick desk check. BTC just got a long filled, and we've got one position open right now running at 12x leverage, so every tick counts on that one. Clean take profit on BTC, locked in just over $2. Small but a confirmed signal red right there. Nice, BTC TP just hit. Small but clean. That's the signal doing its job. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.5% on the day, and ETH bleeding even harder at negative 6.4%. That's not noise, that's a real move, and we're riding it with two positions open at 10x leverage right now. Nice, BTC long just clipped its take profit, small one, plus $0.39, but a clean exit on signal. Hey, Mr. Nafabs, welcome in. Glad you're here. We're live at the terminal, cutting through the noise on BTC and ETH futures right now. ETH is the one doing all the work today. We've had a string of short closes on it. Latest batch coming in around $1 each. And right now there's still one position open at 19x leverage, so we're riding this move live. Maybe today, maybe not. Entropy's gotta compete with an 81% win rate first. Nice, ETH short just closed on take profit, small one but a clean signal red. TP hit exactly where it was supposed to. Nice, ETH take profit just hit. Closed that one out clean, plus $2.61 on the nose. Clean little take profit snap on BTC. Small but tidy. Signal read correctly, we move. Nice, equity just ticked up to $20,382.50. That's plus $3.06 on the move. We'll take it. BTC sitting at 62K, down 4.6% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move, and ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6.5%. We've got two positions open right now at 6x leverage, so every tick matters on a day like this. Nice. ETH short closed out on take profit. Another clean one, plus $3. Haha, look hard R6 just spamming names in chat. Love the energy though. That ETH short just closed out on take profit, plus $6.11, clean exit. Signal played out exactly as read. BTC sliding hard today, down 4.6%. That's not noise, that's a real move, and ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6.5%. So we're reading some genuine bearish pressure across the board right now. That ETH short just closed, tacked on another $2.37. Nice little tick in the green. BTC short at 62,291 with 3x, locked in right at the current price, so we're watching this one closely. BTC sitting at 62,287, down 4.5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move, and we've got short orders firing into it. Two positions open at 3x leverage riding the slide. Up 1.60 on the session, equity sitting at 20,452. Small tick, but it's moving the right way. BTC's getting hit hard today, down 4.6% on the 24-hour. ETH even uglier at minus 6.6%, and the headlines are pointing at regulatory noise and jurisdiction restrictions as part of the backdrop. That's a lot of static to cut through, but we're still reading signal in it. One position open right now running 57x leverage on BTC/ETH futures, so every tick matters, and we're watching it close. That ETH short just hit take profit, closed at plus $2.12, clean exit. Signal held, noise filtered out. Not bad. Equity ticking up to $20,468.90. That's a plus 1.16% nudge in the right direction, while BTC and ETH are both bleeding on the day. Reading signal through the noise right now. BTC sitting at 62.2, down nearly 5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move. And we're short on it right now with 9x leverage riding that signal. Clean take profit on BTC, plus $1.80 in the pocket. Signal worked, we move. Fresh short on BTC at 62,323.8, 3x leverage, riding this dip lower. BTC sitting at 62,250, down 4.6% on the day, and ETH is getting hit even harder, off 6.5% to 1,655, so the signal right now is clear. This is a real move down, not just noise. We're running a BTC short at 11x leverage, riding that momentum, and the desk is up 32% today alone. ETH long in at 1,658.99, 8x leverage, riding it right into this dip. Let's see if that signal holds. ETH is getting chopped up today, down 6.5% on the 24H, but the desk is reading through the noise. We've got two positions open right now at 40x leverage, and those recent ETH closes came in green across the board, so the signal's holding. Just stepped into a BTC short at 62,348.8, 12x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already down 4.6% on the day. Let's see if there's more signal here, or if it's just chasing the move. Fresh ETH long just opened at 1,656.22, 5x leverage, so every tick matters both ways. BTC sitting at $62,279, down 4.6% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real flush, and ETH is getting hit even harder at minus 6.4%. We've got a BTC short working right now at 7x leverage, so the desk is reading this drop as signal, not chop. That one stung a little. ETH stop loss just triggered, small bite at minus 0.85. Signal didn't play out, and the SL did exactly what it's supposed to do. Protect the book. Tiny one, but a take profit is a take profit. BTC closed green. That's the signal doing its job even on a small tick. BTC sitting at 62,246 and ETH at 1,655, both taking a real hit today, down 4.8% and 6.6% respectively, and that looks like genuine signal, not just noise. We've got two longs open right now at 65x leverage, riding this dip, high stakes, both directions amplified. No sugarcoating that. Short on ETH at 1,658.07, 12x. That's the signal firing right into this minus 6.6% daily move. Nice. ETH hit the take profit. Clean close. Plus $1.64 on that one. BTC sitting at 62K, down nearly 5% on the day. ETH hit even harder, off 6.5%. And I'm watching that BTC long I just filled. One position open right now running at 42x leverage, so every tick matters in a big way. Just opened a long on BTC at 62,417.9, 11x leverage on futures, so this one moves fast in either direction. ETH long at 1,661.19, 12x leverage. We're in. BTC sitting at $62,345, down nearly 5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move. And ETH is bleeding even harder at $1,658, off 6.5%. We've got a BTC short sitting in the queue just filled, so the desk is leaning into the signal right now. The donation energy is real today. Jorge Hodgson. Love the enthusiasm. Nice, BTC just hit take profit. Closed that one out clean plus $2.33. Small but a real signal working as intended. BTC sitting at $62,399, down nearly 5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move. And ETH is getting hit even harder, off over 6%. We've got 3 positions open right now at 9x leverage, so every tick matters, and on a day like this, that signal cuts both ways. Tiny win on that BTC close, 16 cents. Basically flat, but a TP hit is a TP hit. We'll take it. Signal said close, so we closed. ETH long in at 1,657.86. That's 52x leveraged, so every tick counts double, times 26. BTC sitting at 62,399 and ETH at 1,660, both getting hit hard today, down 4.7 and 6.3% respectively. That's not noise. That's a real flush across the board. The strategy just flipped a BTC short for plus $1.76 and a BTC long for plus $1.87, catching the downside signal while everyone else is panicking, and we're sitting at plus 34% on the day. Fresh ETH long in at 1,659.77, 4x leverage. Nice entry right at the current price. Clean entry, short BTC at 62,463 with 7x leverage, riding the sell-off. BTC sitting at 62,340 down nearly 5% on the day. ETH even heavier at 1,659 off 6.5. That's not noise, that's a real broad flush. And the desk is leaning into it with a live BTC short and an ETH long at 5x right now. Nice, ETH just closed take profit. Clean little signal red, plus $0.94 on that one. Ooh, we've got a raid coming in. Welcome, 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 Benton Free 100 and the whole crew. Glad you're here. Pull up a chair. We're live at the terminal reading BTC and ETH futures right now. Alright, BTC short just closed at take profit. Small but clean, plus $2.52. Signal played out exactly as read. BTC and ETH are getting absolutely slapped today. BTC down 4.7% and ETH bleeding even harder at minus 6.4%. And the news suggests some macro jitters plus that Binance impersonation scam story isn't helping sentiment. We're running a BTC short right now at 28x leverage, so that kind of move is exactly what we're hunting for. Signals looking clean. Just opened a short on BTC at 62,494.8. 14x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's already down 4.7% on the day, so we're riding that momentum. But 14x means any reversal hits hard. Nice, BTC long just closed on take profit, clean little scalp, plus $1.81, we'll take it. BTC sitting at $62,475, down 4.4% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real flush, and ETH is getting it even harder at $1,662, off 6.2%. The headlines are pointing at regulatory jitters and the Binance impersonation story making rounds, so the market's a bit spooked right now. ETH long just opened at 1,663.54 with 7x leverage. That's amplified in both directions, so this one moves fast. Watching it closely. Not sure what we're celebrating over there, but welcome to the stream, Elcrispin 12346. BTC sitting at 62.4, down 4.5% on the day. That's not noise, that's a real move, and the signal says the market's in distribution mode right now. BTC long locked in at 62,424.9 with 8x. Alright, that's the one position we're riding right now, and the signal's pointing up from here. Tiny one, but a win's a win. BTC long just closed on take profit, up about 2 cents. BTC sitting at $62,467, down 4.3% on the day. ETH even rougher at $1,662, off 6%. And honestly, that kind of broad sell-off is noise until the chart tells me otherwise, so I'm reading the signal carefully right now. That ETH short just closed on take profit, small tick, but a win's a win. Signal read correctly. Noise filtered out. Just opened a long on BTC at 62,529.2, 4x leverage, so every tick counts double on both sides. Let's see if this holds. BTC sitting at $62,400, down 4.4% on the day. ETH even rougher at $1,659, down over 6%. That's not noise, that's a real flush, and the headlines around the EU digital euro vote and some Binance impersonation drama aren't exactly calming the room. That's the equity ticking up live, plus 1.30 on the session, signal holding steady. Just closed that ETH short. Nice hit on the take profit, plus 0.82 on the books. Just closed that ETH short, plus 0.15 on the take profit. Small one, but we'll take it.